Hi, and welcome to another Material Handling Minute with Chuck. We're here to talk to you about a very popular item out of our Material Handling Products group, the FWP Forklift Work Platform. The FWPs from BHS come in 4 standard models, and of course we invite custom requests. The FWPs are commonly been used for many years, changing light bulbs in the facility, reaching high top shelves, performing any maintenance task at an elevated level, complying with OSHA to protect your operator. These units can be designed in the longer lengths to also help them accomplish taking required tools and/or supplies up to those elevated levels. This unit that we've brought down for you to look at today is the 36 by 48 inch model, 3648. Let me take you inside the operator platform. Gate swings inward. The operator walks onto a deck surface outfitted with anti-skid tape. OSHA requires a locking mechanism. We provided that for you here in the spring-loaded gate latch. Once inside the platform, we've outfitted with the tie-off for the tethers for the operators to also comply with OSHA. The rails, of course, are of the appropriate height. And then around the perimeter of the unit, here down at the bottom, we've got the 4-inch high toe kick plate to prevent inadvertent dropping of tools off the deck surface onto persons or floor below. The backstop has been, in the last 10 years, been changed to meet the 84-inch height requirement. We include a stretch steel so that the operator can't get into the host forklift mask, chains and hoses and so forth. This model 3648 is at 1,000-pound capacity and designed for 2 persons at one time. So again, the FWPs, forklift work platforms, are designed primarily for use with a counterbalance type truck. Forks would enter, of course, from the rear here. The long length chain to tie off onto the mast of the truck, holding it secure. And then we don't stop there. We also put in the oversized hitch pin for attaching it, placement in behind the fork when inserted into the pocket. Durable powder coat finish to avoid scratching and damage and so forth. Available in custom colors and/or logos and so forth if you so desire. This unit comes again in 4 different models, 36 by 48 as you see here. 72 and 96-inch lengths also are available. So let's talk about outfitting the FWPs with some options. 2 very common options would be a tool caddy or light bulb caddy that would be attached here to the top rail. Should you require options that we haven't covered in today's video, get hold of your sales rep at BHS, fill out the worksheet on the BHS Optima app or on our website. And with every product at BHS, please remember that we've got inside sales support and aftermarket support, which is available 24/7, 365. Thank you for watching this Material Handling Minute with Chuck. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way.